Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best loud car horn that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Farbin Auto car horn. The Farbin Auto horn 12-volt car horn provides a loud sound for different vehicles. It works with 12-volt direct current power, offering clear sound output. The horn helps vehicles signal effectively on busy roads. The dual-tone design helps attract attention and improve safety. It delivers up to 130 decibel sound, making it suitable for various driving situations. The product suits cars, motorcycles, trucks, and all-terrain vehicles. The horn uses high-quality ABS material, offering durability. Its waterproof shell helps it function in rain and extreme weather. The fixed bracket iron sheet supports long-term use without damage. The Farbin Auto horn helps reduce power consumption while maintaining loud sound output. It supports better sound performance without straining the vehicle battery. This horn helps drivers alert pedestrians and other vehicles. It offers reliable performance for daily and off-road use. The product supports different 12-volt power vehicles, making it a versatile option. In our list, the number 1 product name is a premium dual Snail horn. The premium dual Snail horn provides a strong sound for various vehicles. It works with 12-volt power and produces up to 110 decibel sound, helping vehicles signal effectively. This horn fits passenger cars, motorcycles, trucks, electric cars, and off-road vehicles. The product uses high-quality ABS material, offering durability and waterproof performance. Its copper plug enhances conductivity, delivering louder sound. The snail-shaped design ensures efficient sound output in different weather conditions. The horn works at 2 different frequencies, with high frequency at 510 Hz and low frequency at 410 Hz. This dual-tone system helps vehicles produce clear sound signals. The product's precise design makes installation simple and secure. Its compact size of 80 mm fits different vehicles without taking up much space. The horn uses low power while maintaining strong sound performance. It helps vehicles signal other drivers and pedestrians in crowded areas. The A Premium Dual Snail horn supports safe driving by providing clear sound signals. It withstands heat, rain, and corrosion, making it suitable for daily and off-road use. The product works as a reliable sound solution for different types of vehicles. In our list, the number 1 product name is Farbin Train Horn. The Farbin Train Horn provides a powerful sound solution for various vehicles. It delivers up to 130 decibel sound, making it louder than regular horns. This sound helps vehicles give clear warnings in busy traffic, ensuring better road safety. It works with 12-volt power, making it suitable for trucks, motorcycles, sport utility vehicles, vans, and boats. The horn uses high-quality ABS material with chrome plating, preventing rust and offering long-lasting performance. Its aluminum base adds durability, allowing the horn to perform well in extreme weather. The compact design allows installation in different vehicle positions without taking much space. It requires no air source, making the setup process simple. The product works through 2 power cables connected to the vehicle's metal frame, making the installation process easy. This horn can handle over 100,000 vibrations while maintaining proper functionality. It produces high and low tones, making signals more noticeable. The waterproof design allows the horn to work smoothly in rain or heat without losing performance. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Let's continue. In our list, the number 4 product name is Animgrth Air Horn. The Animgrth Air Horn delivers powerful sound for different vehicles. It works with 12-volt vehicles, including sport utility vehicles, motorcycles, trucks, pickups, yachts, buses, and boats. This horn improves vehicle safety by producing loud sound signals on the road. Its dual trumpet design produces 600 decibel sound, making it louder than regular horns. The built-in compressor and larger coil generate strong pressure for clear and consistent sound. This loud sound helps vehicles signal effectively in busy areas and ensures warnings are heard from a distance. The horn is made from chrome-plated zinc and high-quality ABS plastic, offering durability and corrosion resistance. Its waterproof structure allows it to work in rain or heat without losing performance. The strong materials help the horn last for long periods in different weather conditions. The installation process is simple, requiring only wire connections between the vehicle and the air horn. It works by connecting the positive and negative wires correctly without needing additional tools or complicated steps. This straightforward installation helps users set up the horn quickly. In our list, the number 5 product name is QDONGLAI train horn. The QDONGLAI train horn produces 300 decibel sound for different vehicles. It helps improve safety by giving a loud sound signal that can be heard from long distances. This horn is suitable for trucks, motorcycles, boats, and other 12-volt vehicles. Its red metal housing and black trumpet provide durability and protection against weather conditions. The sturdy materials make it last longer in different environments without losing performance. The waterproof design allows the horn to work smoothly in rain or extreme weather. The compact size makes installation easier without taking up much space. It comes with a mounting bracket for quick attachment to various vehicles. This design helps users install the horn without needing special tools. This horn is ideal for use on trucks, boats, construction sites, and motorcycles. Its strong sound signal alerts others on the road, improving safety in crowded or noisy places. The QDONGLAI train horn combines loud sound output with long-lasting materials. It helps vehicles provide clear signals, making it suitable for different environments and vehicles. In our list, the number 6 product name is YESBAY Air Horn. The YESBAY Air Horn produces 600 decibel sound for different 12-volt vehicles. It is made from chrome-plated zinc and high-quality ABS plastic, which provides waterproof protection and resistance against wear and corrosion. This design helps the horn maintain performance even in extreme weather. The air horn is compatible with various vehicles, including cars, SUVs, motorcycles, boats, buses, and off-road vehicles. Its powerful sound ensures others on the road can hear signals clearly, helping improve safety in crowded or noisy places. The compact size makes installation simple without needing special tools. The horn comes with installation instructions to guide users through the process. By connecting the wires correctly, the horn becomes ready to use. The upgraded air compressor and larger coil create stronger air pressure, which produces a louder and clearer sound. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.